I need to get these linens down to the river before noon. It is such a beautiful day outside today. It is a beautiful day for the harvest. Let's prepare some fresh food. It is directly from our own garden. These tomatoes are perfect. Fresh from the garden. These chilies are incredibly fresh. They add the perfect flavor to any dish. The fire is finally ready. Now we can start the cooking. This will be ready soon. It smells absolutely delicious. There we go, into the pot. This will be ready in just a few minutes. This needs to simmer just a little bit longer. There is nothing better than a home-cooked meal. This is going to be absolutely delicious. The dough is almost ready. The dough is almost ready. If you liked my video, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my video.